All right. Welcome to another Mesh Pre-Weekly Technicals. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and join the Telegram group in the comment section below. Getting on with BTC, just looking on the monthly time frame, and I feel quite comfortable to say that we might be entering the next season of a bull market. If we had monthly close during last week on Wednesday, and we failed to make another low, we've actually claimed and tested the sort of 25K level, 25.3K level as a support in that month and closed safely above it. So we found support above the level. Will we touch it again? It's hard to say. We're at a very critical moment here with a convergence of two trend lines on a horizontal. So I'm expecting a big move in the next week or two. So if we just jump down into other time frames, and we could probably work out when we're going to expect that move. As you can see, the next monthly candle started with very little volume. We have got Fed hikes this month, and we're expecting them to stay the same or freeze based on what the market's pricing in, as well as, I believe, some big news on the Hillman case as well. On the weekly time frame, we're pulling into this, I would actually call this a bit of a symmetrical triangle. If we go around a little bit more, and as I can say, look at next week, weekly closure this today and start of next week, we should see a movement out of this circle. Based on the weekly, it's difficult to say what kind of direction that's looking to go, as we're seeing a lot more sort of symmetry and it's consolidating in this range. But I think on the daily, we're seeing a descending triangle. Give me a second. Let me just reset the price scale. And pulling up, we've had this descending triangle similar to what's on the Dixie. You can watch our Dixie video. This descending triangle being formed here. And based off that, we should get another retest on the daily time frame of the 25.3K level. And I've been calling this level now for 2 weeks. We didn't quite get it last week, but we possibly see it out of the fall of this 25.2K level. So out of this descending triangle, we should see it. So I'm arming up, looking to take spot positions at this level and loading up based on my theory that we're entering into the next season of a bull market. So that would also, and I'm actually going to pay very close attention here, depending how we test this level and the volume we find. I believe we'll see a lot of liquidity. We'll see a lot of buy volume at this level, but we should really pay attention because a break of this would invalidate this whole upward movement. And if we go down to the 4-hour, you can see where we're holding nicely towards this trend line following path. I would say that if we were looking to get in, if we can close above this sort of 20, let's say 27.3K level, we should see some short-term movement up towards the 27.8K level. A break of this trend line would invalidate all positions. So if we say a break of 28K, yeah, 28K, we're invalidating the whole lower position. And 4-hour daily, very correlated. So we'll wait and see. I believe the movement we're expecting will happen this week. And I think we'll just confirm it later on the next video if the Fed announcement is this week in regards to interest rates.